out there in the world there are a lot of digital opportunities available, right? If somebody want to do something digitally from home and they will search on Google, there will be multiple options, thousands option, and like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, content creation, and like so on. I even don't know the name of these opportunities. I can talk about our platform. So when people come across our platform, um, without having the complete knowledge, they will either compare the platform with other digital platform, or they will assume, oh, this is something that which I don't want to do. Anything it can be, right? So first, to make an informed decision whether this platform is for you or not, and for that you need to first understand the platform, you need to gather the knowledge about the platform, and after that you should decide, yes, is this a good fit for me or no. Like if I talk about for example, like affiliate marketing, if you want to do affiliate marketing or any other digital business you want to do, all the businesses are service related. You provide some services, and to do it digitally you need your website, you need your sales funnel, you need all kind of technical support, and lot of other support as well. And for that, if you are doing it on your own, you have to go to different people, different places, and you have to pay money for each and every kind of support, right? If I talk about our platform, you will get at one place. You don't need to go anywhere. Everything is provided here, from all kind of tools, training, technical support, and the best part is mentorship, right? So if somebody is starting from scratch, don't know and don't have any knowledge about the digital world, like me, I was that kind of person. I didn't have any clue about the digital marketing thing, but when I go through the process platform, I learned about the things, I understand about the platform, and then I thought, yeah, I can give it a try. I can learn. I There will be a lot of opportunity of learning. I will learn new things, and that's a good thing. And other thing is, person like me who were sitting at home for like so many years, was on career break and was sitting at home like almost 10 to 11 years, was doing nothing. They need support, a human support other than training, right? So this mentorship program here is amazing. You need all kind of support, not professionally but personally as well. Once you start working together, you make connection, you connect emotionally as well with each other, and you become friend. Every day you learn something new from so many people, right? So this is the best part of our amazing business platform, that you get the mentorship support, one-on-one mentor coach are there to help you to learn the process, to learn the skills. So if you get this kind of support somewhere, then you feel confident, you feel secure, and you enjoy the process, you enjoy the learning, you enjoy the process. So that is what differentiate our business platform. And plus and the thing is, you don't need to pay for anything separately. Like everything comes together, the technical support, the mentorship, the um, training, and the affiliates, everything comes together. Yes, the only thing is you have to make an investment. Any kind of business needs investment. The other things happen with people when they come across a platform. As soon as they know that there is investment involved, they will, no, we don't want to spend any money, we don't want to do this. So understand it. Any kind of business needed investment, right? And if you think, no, a job is good for me, I can do job and be happy, a job also demands a lot. Your personal time, your efforts, your like if I give example of my husband, he is not only working 9 to 5, no time limit. He is only keep working because his bosses is asking him to do things. You have to finish this, you have to finish that, there is a deadline to finish this, and keep forcing them to do the work. So they have to do because they have bosses over them. But here you are your own boss. Yes. And um, if I talk about the investment, so when we save money, we invest it, right? Like we invested in fixed deposits, CDs, or real estate, and so many places, so that our money can grow. So the business also is the same opportunity. You invest money and then you make money out of it. You grow, your financial situation grows, you will have an extra source of income in your house. So and it's not like you have to put like your fortune on it, and it's not like you have to put all the money all together. There are various options from that you can choose, and if you want, we can craft the investment option as well, and there are multiple options. So it's a risk-free opportunity where you can explore everything, understand everything, and then you can make decision. It's not like that once you get in touch with someone inside the business and have the knowledge about the business, then you are forced to join it. No, it's completely your decision, but you need to be in touch the person to understand the process, to understand the structure of the business. That's it, and then decision is yours whether you want to join it, whether you want to do it or no, and we respect your decision. I hope this is helpful. Take care for now. Bye bye.